check out what I received from Magic Tap. It's a drink dispenser, and it is so easy to use. It requires 2 AA batteries, and it's great for non-carbonated drinks like water, juice, milk, sports drinks, and so much more. And you put 2 AA batteries inside it, you clean it of course, and then you stick it inside your favorite drink. There's also the silicone top, so it fits in different size bottles. Perfect. And there's also a trigger right here that you can lock it and unlock it. And this is how easy it is to fill. You just push it like that, and it fills up your drink. Simple as that. So let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. So simple to use. Perfect. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. It sucks out the liquid down here, and then it transports it up to here and squirts it out from here. This is the trigger. There is a lock on it, so you could unlock it and then it can work, and then you can relock it. It also has a compartment right here, so you can easily put 2 AA batteries inside. Simple as that. This is such an ideal solution. Great for adults and kids too. And so simple to use, especially if your hands are full. All you have to do is get this and push it up against, and then you can fill it up. Perfect. So definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.